Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Era Protect smart home alarm system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If the alarm system is not detected by your network or not connecting to your network or not syncing or anything like that, or if it seems like there are elements that are not responding, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, you're going to need to set everything up again because it will be wiped to its factory default settings. But if that's something you want to do, that might be the second reason you want to do this. If you're setting this up in a new home or something like that, it's quite easy to do. So this will not reset it off of the app. That's a separate procedure. You can look up how to reset it on the app and to get it off the app. But to reset the actual hardware, you're going to do that on the alarm hub. And you'll find a paper clip or something like that that can put into the recessed reset hole button. And you're going to press that button in there for 10 seconds. And you're just going to basically keep pressing until you see the little indicator light on the hub start to blink. Then you can let go and then allow it to continue blinking. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds to complete it. When it's done, then you can power cycle it and set everything up again.